In today's video, I'm going to show you real quick how to set and release the parking brake on a 2021 Toyota RAV4. Pretty simple process. It's not quite like the old mechanical parking brake. This one actually has an electronic parking brake. It's going to be located right next to the gear shifter here. You're going to notice a button here that just says P. What you're going to do is pull on that. You'll hear a noise and then that will light up. You'll also notice on the dash right here it says park. That's how you know that the vehicle is now engaged with the parking brake. To turn off the parking brake, you have to press the brake pedal along with pushing on this. You'll notice that light goes off, and then also on the dash, it goes off. Now, if you were to pull this, you'll hear it engage. If you don't have your foot on the brake and you try to disengage this, you'll get a parking brake unable to disengage. Press brake pedal. So you just have to make sure that you press the brake pedal to disengage the parking brake. If you ended up thinking this was helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to help us make more videos just like this, and comment with any questions. Thanks for watching.